Hey guys, welcome to CryptoWhaleTrading again. I'm Tyler, your host, and today we will be discussing about the new DeFi lending protocol project which is going to launch in the month of October and can make your money 4x to 5x in the coming months. So moving forward, I would first like to tell you the name of the project, that is TLR Finance. TLR Finance is a project which is linked to the real world situation, real world credit history, and providing DeFi loans, decentralized finance to people without any collateral. So, moving forward, we will be discussing about the project in depth. Now, if we move forward, after seeing the complete video from start till end, you all will be able to answer all these questions on your screen in the end of the video about the project. What is TLR Finance? When is their token launching and other events coming up? How the TLR Finance will work? How is it beneficial? Some of the disadvantages according to me. How TLR protocol is resolving essential problems of decentralized finance, my thoughts over this project and how it can be beneficial. So moving forward, we will see their official website first, and here is the official website of TLR Finance, and on the top of the official website it is clearly written an open source credit risk protocol. It is the main advantage also of this project, and it is the main disadvantage also of this project. How, we will know it later. Now if we read below, there is a line: TLR creates money markets where users can earn interest on deposits or connect their real world credit history to borrow without collateral. So this is a proper revolution in the decentralized finance industry, again by linking it to the real world credit history of a user. So it can be very advantageous as well, and it can be disadvantageous as well. So it depends upon, some people want to share their credit history with a decentralized finance company or a project, or some people would not like to share their real world credit history to any decentralized finance project or something like that. So it depends on person to person how they see the situation of linking their credit history, and according to it they are getting the finance from these decentralized finance companies which are coming up with this approach. So this is the first company which is coming and linking decentralized finance with the real world credit history and making a complete revolution in decentralized finance. According to my thoughts, this is very disadvantageous as well, because why someone wants to share their real world credit history with a decentralized finance? They can directly go to a financial institution which is available in their country, and they can share their credit history and get a proper amount of loan. And if they have to share their credit history with a decentralized finance, then it makes it a blunder kind of a thing, that why should we share our credit history with a decentralized finance? We can take a direct loan from a financial institution available in our country, so we don't need to go to a decentralized finance project and ask them for a loan or a finance. So moving forward, I will show you their Twitter account and their upcoming launches and upcoming events in the month of October. So if we see here on the official channel of TLR Finance on Twitter, we can see it's coming. The highly anticipated @use TLR, their Twitter thread ID, launch is just a few short weeks away. Some highlights include compound finance integration, accelerated decentralized finance liquidity launchpad program, and last and not the least, their own cryptocurrency token, TLR token. So this is a good news also, because in the start I think when it will launch, their token can gain up to 4x to 5x profits to you guys, and it can easily multiply its price 4 into 5 times at least. So moving forward, I will also show you that how it works. Yeah, so understanding how TLR finance works. TLR is an open source protocol that interacts with consumer data to calculate default risk and offer unsecured crypto asset loans. Users can supply liquidity to the protocol's lending pools and earn interest from repaid loans. TLR leverages borrowers' credit history. This is the main important thing of this project. TLR leverages borrowers' credit history to calculate an annual interest rate APR that is based on market conditions versus consumers' credit risk, reducing or eliminating the need for collateral. So this is a good thing also, that in the current decentralized finance market, we are seeing that we need to pay 150% of the collateral to get the 100% of the loan amount. So for example, if we have to borrow 100 rupees, we have to first give them collateral worth rupees 150, then we will get the loan of 100 rupees. So it is a very, if we are talking about the TLR finance project, this is a very advantageous thing of this project, that it will reduce the collateral need for getting the loans from decentralized finance projects. So I think it will boom as it launches, because some people will really like it. Without giving any kind of collateral, you are getting a loan only basis of your credit history in the real world. So moving forward, if we read down below, the TLR protocol calculates consumer credit risk as a measure of personal financial data, example debt to income ratio. The later translates into APRs that are not only based on money market interest rate, but also takes into account consumer credit risk. Variable loan APRs in turn result in variable APYs for the protocol's liquidity providers. For the consumer, this means an affordable user experience that leverages positive credit history to lower DeFi's exorbitant collateral ratios. So in all, I think a decentralized finance project like this will be knowing all your credit risk, all your credit history in the past, from where you have taken loans, how much bank balance you have, how many credit cards you have. So if we see their white paper as well, like this is, I will show you their white paper as well. So if we go to their white paper, there is all the parameters given that what they will check in a consumer's credit history. So if we move down below in the white paper, we will see that they will be checking collateral, bank balance, income, net income, recent cash flow, loan use, variable fixed loans. So these are all the things, all the criterias which will be checked before giving a collateral free loan from decentralized finance project. So in some cases, some users would be very likely to share all the information. In some cases, some users will say, no, we will directly go to a financial institution. Why we will go to a decentralized financial project to take the loan? We can directly approach with a real world credit history to a financial institution which is already available physically in our country. So it depends upon user to user how they will see, but according to me, it is a good thing. Instead of paying 150% of the collateral to get the 100% of the loan, it is more better to share your real world credit history, that okay, I am good, if I take the loan I will repay it on time, and I am not a fraudster or I am not running away with your money. So it will prove your genuineness. So in some cases it is advantageous as well, in some cases it is disadvantageous as well. So it depends on person to person. If we will move forward, Like, here are all the questions. How is it beneficial? So this is a very important thing. Why is it beneficial? If we will see their white paper itself, they have mentioned why is it beneficial. So here we will read, however, early success does not come without limitations. Current DeFi protocols rely on high collateralization ratios to mitigate risk for the lending and borrowing of crypto assets. The average decentralized finance user is subject to collateralization ratios starting at 150% to upwards of 300%. At present, a borrower might need to deposit anywhere from 1.5 to over 3 units of collateral to mint one stable coin. So this is, I have already told that in the current decentralized finance projects, we need to have the collateral 1.5 times to 3 times to get the 1 unit of the loan. So this is a very costly and apart from that, they are taking interest also from us. So they are taking 1.5 to 3 times collateral plus the interest. So this is not beneficial. From this project, we will be able to share our real world credit history, and we can approach a decentralized finance project of his kind like TLR Finance, and we can say, see, we are a genuine person, we share our credit history, we want this much amount of loan and we will repay it on time. So it, according to me, it will boom in the coming months of October, and so on, follow on. So moving forward, I would like to answer some more questions to go in depth of this project, why it would grow and it would be beneficial for most of the people. So how TLR protocol is resolving essential problems of decentralized finance. So talking about this question, this is a very major question to understand this project. First problem which it is solving for decentralized finance projects, other projects, is from if these projects integrate with TLR Finance and use their technology to check the real world credit history of a person before providing the loan, so it can lower the risk of defaulters and it can lower the risk of fraudsters in the market. So if we have the credit history of a person of the last 10 years, that how many times he has taken the loan and what is their bank balance, income, and will they be able to pay the loans on time, so there will be less risk of defaulters and as well as fraudsters. So this will solve a major problem which decentralized finance projects are currently facing, and many of the projects are in debts as well. As of launching, they are in debts. If we go in, if we do the inside study of major DeFi decentralized finance projects, we will see that there are much riskier. From this project, it will be less riskier, as we will be able to know that whom we are giving the loan, whom we are lending the money, and will they be able to pay us on time with interest. So moving forward, my thoughts over this project and how it can be beneficial. It can be very beneficial. They have in their white paper, we can see they have mentioned all the questions which users want. Please go and see their white paper and read through their white paper, what all they are targeting upon and what is their aim. If we talk about their aims, if we read here on their Medium account, we will see, according to decentralized finance pulse, there is now more than $9 billion worth of crypto logged in decentralized finance protocols, up more than 500% since June. However, this is still only a fraction of the $215 trillion debt market that TLR teams aim to disrupt. Following the successful integration of Chainlink, TLR will operate as a decentralized finance adoption bridge, enabling the acquisition of new users by lowering the industry's barrier to entry and increasing capital efficiency. When this project launches, it will be making partnerships with many of the decentralized upcoming projects as well and current projects as well, and they have a successful integration with Chainlink as well. And all in all, in their website, if you will scroll down, you will see all their information. I think this project is very legitimate, and in future, if you hold it for 1 year or 2 years, they will grow like massively. They will grow massively, and it can make your money 4x, 5x, even 10x in the coming months and in the coming years. So this is a very major project. In all the decentralized finance project, I find this project very legitimate and on the paper. In other processes, we need to give them 1.5 to 3 times of collateral to getting 1 unit of loan, and it is like, how we can be assured that they are safe? How we can be assured that we have given 3 times the money, 3 times the assets to get a 1 unit of loan? How can we be assured that our collateral is safe? But here, if we get the loan without paying any collateral, so it will be very beneficial, and we will be truly and completely able to trust them, and there is no risk of money losing or any kind of fraud which is going into DeFi market. There are many projects in decentralized finance that are only frauds, and some projects are very good, some projects are not good, some projects, they started with a hype and they lost with a hype. So it is like, with this project coming in and with the adoption of this project, all the users, there will be many users being added to decentralized finance every day, and after this project it will boom. And according to me, their token launching would be great, and as their token launches, it will be straightforward. Within a week or within some days, it will boom like 4x, 5x, 6x, even 10x. I am assuming 10x, but as I can say, minimum 3x to 4x is my target when this project launches. So if you will scroll down, they have a partnership with Chainlink, they have an integration of Chainlink, and their white paper is available, their investors are mentioned here, you can search about them. Their official accounts of Medium, Discord, Twitter are here, you can directly contact to their team, and their all the things are available on the open source internet, which I have told to you. You can yourself go and research over this project. I think it would be very beneficial for many people. So winding up the video, I would say, and I would be, in the end, I would be saying that I will be updating you guys for this project again and again with their token launch, and from where you can buy their token, and when to purchase the token and when to sell the token, exact price code, that where is the entry point and where is the exit point and where is the stop loss point in my VIP Telegram group. So those members who have not yet joined my VIP Telegram group, please join my VIP Telegram group. I update there every day with new coin calls, with new cryptocurrency news across the world, what is going into the crypto market, what are the levels of dominance of different cryptocurrencies, and you can earn from my trades. So please join my VIP Telegram group as well. So show some support to our new YouTube family and show some support to me, so that I can bring you more and more new videos, more and more new information about these kind of such a great projects, upcoming coins, and recent trades. I give short-term trade calls, I give long-term trade calls as well in my VIP Telegram group, and you can benefit n number of profit from my VIP Telegram group. Below in the video description you can find the steps to join my VIP Telegram group, and all the links from where I have taken the information of this project over the internet. You will find all the links in the video description. You can yourself go to those links and study about this project, research about this project. All the information was available on the open source internet. I have taken all the information from open source internet, and I am giving you an opportunity to make your money 4x to 5x in the coming month of October and November. So signing off, I'm Tyler, your host. I will be back with new videos, more new stuff and coin calls back to my YouTube family. Please show some support, like my videos, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get the instant notifications of my new and upcoming videos. And bye bye.